Hi, today we are going to read about tear film. Human tears are distributed among three areas: the marginal tear strip or tear meniscus. The second one is the preocular film covering the exposed bulbar conjunctiva, and the cornea, known as precorneal tear film, also called tear film, and the conjunctival sac between the eyelids and the bulbar conjunctiva. Here in this image, we can see the tear lake at the lower eyelid margin stained with fluorescein. See this green color tear lake. A normal tear lake is approximately 1 mm above the eyelid margin. Tear film was described to have three layers sandwich. The meibomian glands are secreting the lipid layer, which is the outermost layer, which is in contact with air. Second one is the middle one is the aqueous layer, which is secreted by lacrimal gland, and the innermost layer is the mucus layer secreted by the goblet cells. According to latest studies, two-phase model of tear film has been postulated. Lipid layer is the first layer and the mucoaqueous phase is the second layer. In this image, the outer lipid layer, the mucoaqueous layer, and the glycocalyx resting on the apical microvilli of the ocular surface epithelium. So these are the microvilli of the ocular surface epithelium. This is the glycocalyx, which is helping the tear film to stay attached to the surface epithelium. Components of the tear film, the lipids, mucins, proteins, and salts interact to prevent tear film evaporation and collapse. Properties of normal human tear film. Composition. Water is 98% in the tear film. Solids are around 2%. Thickness of the tear film is 3.4 micrometer. Lipid layer is around 0.015 to 0.16 micrometer. Volume of the tear film in an unanesthetized eye is 7.4 microliter. In an anesthetized eye is 2.6 microliter. Secretory rate in an unanesthetized eye in skimmer test it is 3.8 microliter per minute. In fluorophotometry it is 0.9 microliter per minute. In anesthetized eye, skimmer test gives a 1.8 microliter per minute secretory rate, and in fluorophotometry it is 0.3 microliter per minute. Turnover rate of tear film normally is 12% to 16% per minute. After stimulating, it is 300% per minute. Evaporation rate of tear film is 0.06 microliter per centimeter square per minute. Osmolarity of tear film is 296 to 308 milliosmol per liter. pH is 6.5 to 7.6. Electrolytes. Sodium is 134 to 170 millimole per liter. Potassium is 26 to 42 millimole per liter. Calcium is 0.5 millimole per liter. Magnesium is 0.3 to 0.6 millimole per liter. Chloride is 120 to 135 millimole per liter. Bicarbonate is 26 millimole per liter. Functions of the tear film. It provides lubrication for the cornea and the conjunctiva, facilitates the exchange of solutes, including oxygen, contributes to the antimicrobial defense of the ocular surface by lysozyme, lactoferrin, and immunoglobulins. It serves as a medium to remove debris. The air-tear film interface at the surface of the cornea constitutes a major refractive element of the eye. These are the functions of the tear film. So now, any aberrations in the tear film results from dry eye and blepharitis. Other ocular conditions may lead to tear film instability also. Thank you.